Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you the chickens again. And for the final egg check. And for an egg check. This is one egg that I did. You guys didn't see it. Alright? So hush. See you, okay? Chicken. Okay. Maybe I was all cut it off, so gotta get back in there. Back up, Ben. Everyone, I was in here then. Actually, I didn't press record, so yeah. So this is Ben, Jennifer, Snowball, Daffy, and Lucky. Okay, I want to get you and Daffy by each other. Come on, good. Daffy and Ben, and Big Head, Jennifer, and Snowball. Lucky, Ben. Okay, hold up. Daffy, Lucky, Ben. Those are the 3 egg-laying ducks. And all the egg chickens, so I'll tell you all their names. Big Head, Jennifer, Snowball, Felicia. Where's a pretty egg? Okay? And there's pretty eggs. Probably trying to lay an egg. So I'm going to be leaving. But I'm actually going to let this become a couple minutes. But back, Ben. Back. And actually what I have to do right now is some watering. So you guys will watch me be watering the birds. So what I usually do when I go water is I just come over here, get the hose on, usually got this part, place that one away, and then I do that, then come with this one, and I do the same thing, then coming over here, and as was this one, I usually need to take stick hoes nowadays too. I think for some reason. That was just the wood snapping. So, here's the thing. Now, you guys want to watch me. Then trying to show the stick up in here and tip this back over. Yeah. Good. Let's go ahead and fix that. So there's that water. Busy guys. One of these guys. One this guy. Yeah. And one of these guys. Now I'll drop that hose. Don't run over here. Kind of busy. And I'm just going to do this while I'm walking up there. There. I'm going to show you all that my mom has harvested.
You're showing the whole porch, just so you know.
This, and this.
What? Oh, look at those rocks up front.
It's jalapenos. Connor, kill that chair.
What?
Kill that chair.
Why?
So these are tomatoes, a watermelon, a sunflower, tomatoes, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, and some small aromas. And then over here, our first pumpkin that we've harvested this year. And then I'm going to head back down here. And bye.